Okay, so I got something a little different for you guys here for Christmas. So it's this is my old cell phone. It's an old OnePlus One. It'd been sitting in the drawer of my nightstand for a while. And decided I was gonna give it to my daughter. She's really gotten into watching some YouTube and playing Roblox on the phone. She's 7, so I just decided instead of her having to fight with her brother over the tablet, I'd just give her this one. So I gotta replace the battery in it. It no longer really holds a charge. So I got the phone out of my nightstand, and then I ordered a battery kit off of Amazon. It was like 16 bucks and came with some tools. I'm sure the tools are about useless that came in there. And then this should be the battery here. So let's take a look here. And yep, that looks like the right size for a OnePlus One. Don't worry, you won't be seeing a lot of cell phones on my channel. I really don't like doing mobile phone repairs, so uh, just not something I enjoy. I don't find them fun. So yeah, well, let's get to this. Let's get this one apart. The OnePlus One's a pretty simple phone. Let's see, what did I do it? There we go. First thing I gotta do is take the SIM card out. Oh no, I don't have the right size tool. Let me go grab. Let me pause this and go grab the right size. Let's see, did this come with one? Not seeing one in there. Yeah, let me go find the right size. This one's too small. Okay, I found the right size one. So let's get this out. SIM card tray's out. I think it even had, yeah, it didn't even have a SIM card in it because it's just been sitting in the drawer. Let's go ahead and, yeah, there's no screws at the bottom, if I remember right. So let's go ahead and just go around it. So this one, you're really not removing the screen, you're just removing the back, which is nice. Okay, so back comes off nice and easily on these One Pluses. It's really pretty much just a little back that pops on there. There's no screws holding it on. It's not glued on. It's not one of the new unibody phones where you have to take the screen off to get to the battery. Um, so yeah, this is the original battery in here, and this is a pretty old phone. See if I got the right size screwdriver. It's a double aught that it uses, or 00. Um, but all of mine are like in millimeters on there, so um, it gets in the way. But we have a couple of screws to remove. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws to remove. Yeah, there's one under there, the void warranty sticker, but as we all know that you can't actually void somebody's warranty for taking apart their device here in the United States. So, they just count on you not taking them to court over it. But all right, so got this back off. And see, stupid stuff like these little guys just being stuck in there to make it a pain to get out. I'm sure it's for some level of waterproofing, but still, makes it a real pain to get it off. And that's just exactly why I don't like cell phone repairs. They just make things difficult for no reason. It seems like. All right, let's get this battery out. So we just got to kind of pry from this side of the battery. Prying on batteries is a good idea according to Apple. So they like to make it seem like it's the most dangerous thing ever. Let's go with some metal too. Let's really get in there.
I want to be careful doing this because there are some cables underneath this battery.
Alright. Deformed the battery a little bit there. Hopefully it doesn't start going up in flames. Alright. So now we got the old battery out, and see, there's some ribbon cables that run underneath there, so that's why you don't want to pry real far underneath it. And there's where they put the adhesive right there and right there. So let's go ahead and get our replacement battery out and put it on. Okay, so we got the new battery plugged in. Let's go ahead and put this back cover back on it. It kind of pops back down on there, and then we'll put the screws back in. Okay, all the screws are back on. Let's verify that it turns on and then put it back together. Alright, yep, and we are turning on, so. Alright, so there you go. There's a OnePlus One battery replacement. Yeah, this is definitely not my usual content. Definitely not my interest. I don't really like cell phone repair. Luckily, this is an easy phone to work on, so it's just part of the reason why I like OnePlus. That's what my cell phone is the OnePlus 3, and my wife has the OnePlus 5. Um, and then, because I skipped 4, I almost said 4 because she has the model after mine, but I guess in Chinese culture, the number 4 is unlucky, so OnePlus skipped the OnePlus 4 and went straight to the OnePlus 5. So there we go. That is a rebuilt, or well, rebuilt a battery replacement in a OnePlus One cell phone. So hopefully you liked this, and y'all have a Merry Christmas.